What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make better counter melodies. This is going to be part one, which is going to be the minor portion. All right, we'll do the others later, but right now we're going to focus on the minor. So I've made a beat here, all right, just for demonstration purposes later. Now I've made it in an F sharp minor, so that's the one I'm going to be demonstrating with. So I'm going to actually teach you how to make a minor scale, all right? And I say minor scale because you can really transpose it anywhere. So I'm gonna go to pattern 2 and I have everything preset here just so it's easier to explain. So in one octave, all right, there's gonna be 12 notes starting from your root note, which is F sharp for us or me. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you start back at 1 once you get to the next octave, which is the next F sharp or your root note. Okay, so they're gonna be what I call, I guess, scale codes or numbers, right? And when you mix certain numbers within that octave, you'll create a scale, right? So I'm going to show you the numbers for a minor scale, and this is how I learned, and it's the easiest way in my opinion to actually play on the MIDI, because you can literally just count. You can count on your MIDI once you know the code. So I'm gonna show you the code now. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right, so you got your 1, just highlight right here, and your 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, okay, so your 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11 is your last note. So the code would go 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11. Okay, I might put a download in the description so you can actually have something that you can look at while you're making a beat. But yeah, I should have something up on the screen right now so that you can actually, you know, see the numbers together, and that's going to be your minor scale code, which will give you this right here. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11. You can transpose this anywhere, all right, on the piano keyboard, or, you know, just in here, piano roll. You can transpose it anywhere. Okay, so hopefully I try to make it as simple as possible. Music theory is very complicated. For what reason, I don't know. It shouldn't be, but it is. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you the actual counter melody scale, quote unquote. All right, and that is going to be a pentatonic scale. All right, now that would be here if you have these. If you don't have these, I'm going to show you how to make it once again like I did with this. Okay, previously you saw me count 1 through 12, right? On the keyboard, that's counting every single note. So the numbering is going to be 1 all the way through 12. But once you actually have your scale, that numbering does not matter anymore, because you're only counting the notes that's within that scale that you created. So when I go over here, the numbering is going to be 1 through 7. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't do that anymore because you already have your scale, and these in between notes do not matter. So I'm just clarifying that now, because the next part may be confusing if you didn't see this part. So I'm gonna cut back to that. So I'm gonna go to pattern 3, and I actually have this loaded up. So with a pentatonic scale, you're gonna take out the 2nd and the 6th note within a minor scale. Okay, so there's 7 notes that make up a minor scale. So you're gonna go 1, 2, take out the 2, the 2nd note, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're gonna take out the 6th note. Okay, and then you're gonna have that last 7th note. And just to demonstrate over here, 1, 2, take out the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take that out, and that's going to leave you with 5 notes, hence pentatonic 5 notes. All right, simple as that. Now if you do not have any of these scales or any scale in your DAW or anything, and let's just say you only have to work with the actual piano, right, just the MIDI, how you would create this pentatonic scale, I'm going to show you the codes right now on the screen, but I'm just go through them. It would be 1, 4, 6, 8, 11. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your 5 notes. So that's how you do that. So now I'm going to cut back to the video. So now I'm actually going to play, you know, enough of the boring stuff. I'm actually going to play and show you that this works as a counter melody scale, quote unquote. All right. So I'm actually playing this. I got to get the whole scale up. And really anything you play here will sound good. Pretty much anything. I'm gonna just be playing crap. So for the next, I don't know, 2 minutes, I'm gonna just be playing. I'm gonna actually play the whole beat real quick. Okay. And I'm just go through these instruments so you can just hear different type of sounds with it. Let's pull that over there, detach it. Okay, so here we go. Super easy, as you can see. And if you want to see the VSTs that I'm using, I'll just go through them real quick. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. This is a reversed organ or whatever. This is just my own little preset. Probably give this little bank out for free just because I don't really use this plugin that much anymore. All right, you can just see everything. This is the piano that I'm using. We can change the piano. Okay, and then the organ here. I just chose the organ because I mean it's pretty common nowadays to have a org. Yeah. Okay, and then one of my favorite plugins, this, because it actually works. All right, this plugin actually works. Okay, and does what it says it's supposed to do. But yeah, and you can choose different kind of presets. I don't know which one to. So yeah, if you just want to copy these plugins, go ahead, do what you want to do. But yeah, that's how you actually make better counter melodies. You know, you can really take this and make better melodies today. Once you learn these chord codes or whatever, or if you just have these, you can just slap this over and then just play. But that's up to you. But hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you can make better counter melodies now and everything. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.